Alright, so first clip is all of my southern counties and countries and states basically that had snow. This is definitely how it was. If you guys are in those areas, you know what I'm talking about. I couldn't go nowhere. I'm assuming this is probably a two-wheel drive truck because you would think a four-wheel drive can make it up that. But that does look pretty steep, so I could see it not making it. And it's like, you know you hit the car and you're just going to drive off. Well, try to drive off. Might as well just park it right there and call it quits, bud. Better call someone to come get you. Well, you're walking home, basically. No one's coming to get you in the snow. This right here is why, number one reason to pay attention always, because that wouldn't happen if you was paying attention. Simple as that. Now, car's on fire, probably knocked out. Probably not a good time. I know it's not a good time. And then homie gets out of the car on a interstate. Not ideal, but to each their own. It's very crazy how they got the over like camera angle of that. Definitely helpful for the insurance companies. That's way too fast for a road that has snow on it. Jesus. And people wonder, like, when something happens, why it happens. It's like, I wonder why. I mean, I wouldn't guess it's going 100 plus mile an hour and then icy. And see what happens to you. Kind of deserved. You know it's never good when it's an intersection like this. The passenger's freaking out like, dude, what are you doing? The slowest reverse of the 21st century. I think it's the 21st century. Don't hold me to that. I think it is. And almost gets hit. Jesus, this dude just go home. Not sure how he has or she has their license. It's like, why do people try to drive with the ice on the road like that? Like, you know, you walk outside, you see the road icy, your steps icy. Like, let me try to go down the road with all this ice. What's the worst that could happen? And as you can see, they found out. And like, is this woman like shoveling? You know, could you imagine telling your insurance company what happened to your car and you show them this video? Like, Jesus, might as well pay out of pocket for those damages. And he gets out, like, what happened? Like, you know what happened. That's one way to lose your license forever. Maybe not forever, but definitely a good bit. I guess this dude has something against trash cans. You know, like, it took me a second to figure out what happened, and then I watched it again. And if you look to the left, you see a car do some somersaults, like Simone Biles or whatever her name is. Let's see what happens here. Car is making a turn. Homie's doing 140. Like, jeez. It goes back to people are absolutely insane and don't pay attention. But I hope you guys enjoyed this brand new video. Until next time, peace out.